Yeah, let's measure it. Or weigh it, I mean. Oh, Jesus. 2 pounder, guys. 2 pounds. Yeah, that was my first one. Alright guys, that was the first fish of the day. We're at Mill Pond today, me and my buddy Nick. And hopefully we'll get a lot more. I'll get back to you with more fish. Alright guys, I don't know if the camera got it, but a huge one just jumped over there, so I'm going to get this one released pretty quickly. About a pound, maybe a pound and a quarter. Oh!